Welcome to today's free video tutorial on how to sell digital products. This video is going to be a complete step-by-step guide on how to start a successful business selling digital products. So get your notes ready and let's jump right into today's free tutorial. I love digital products because it literally takes you just a few hours to design a product, and then you can sell that digital product unlimited times for the next 5 to 10 years. Embra, you're not just creating a digital product, but you're creating a digital asset that will create an identity for you for a long time. And if you're going to use the free hosting resources that I'm going to show you for free, your profit margin will be close to 100%. So why should you sell digital products? I like the business model of selling digital products, and we are very beginner-friendly for someone new to e-commerce. Very easy to start, and there is almost no investment required to start to like digital products because there is no inventory. Also love digital products because they have high profit margins. This is what you will learn. In today's free video, I will be explaining in depth what a digital product is. It will give you different types of digital products. It will show you how to find the right product to sell. We'll show you how to create your own digital product. We'll show you how to set up your online store. And finally, I will show you how to market and get sellers and earn thousands of dollars for a course like this. All you need to do to get it for free. You just have to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free learning videos like this. Remember, my YouTube channel is Stepan of the 100% free learning videos. When you sell a physical product, there will definitely be more costs like shipping, product costs, and other random fees. If you are actually holding inventory and the products themselves with digital products, you don't have to do that. So when you make a sale, you keep almost all of the money from the customers. So what is a digital product? A digital product, as you know, is an immaterial product. Even though you don't hold it in your hand, it is still a product that people can use and buy, just like a lot of physical products that fulfill a need or want in someone's life. You are doing exactly the same thing with digital products, especially as our world is becoming more digital as we know it. So there are many different types of digital products that you can sell. Ebooks, PDF guides, printables, templates, plans, recipes, courses, guides and tutorials, gaming consulting, and more. Remember that your digital product has to have value. It has to solve a problem in some way and provide the buyer with something. And this doesn't have to be strictly educational. You can provide value by entertaining. Although usually the more educational type of digital products tend to make more money than those that focus on a specific problem, something that you can solve. Solving it doesn't have to be life-changing, but the value is there right now. With all the different ideas about digital, how to find the right digital product to sell. Everyone watching this right now has something they are interested in doing, like with every business model that I teach on my YouTube channel. Whether you're starting an online business or becoming a content creator, you need to pick a niche, and I'm going to help you out right now. I want you to think about it like this, no matter who you are. Now that there's something that you know that other people might not know, even if you're someone who's really good at creating PowerPoints or creating flyers. You can start teaching other people how to actually do this. You can start teaching other people how to use Canva, and you can start selling tons of digital products related to this topic. Your niche doesn't have revolutionary. It just has to be necessary. I think that's the biggest problem that some of you face is you're too focused on trying to find anychet that will change your life, or you're trying to find the most special thing to start and actually be something really simple. For example, you love to cook. You can sell a digital cookbook. You're a mommy. You can sell printable games for kids, games for other moms and families. You can create template guides and a whole bunch of other things. The only thing you need to do when you're looking at this is you need to decide what that's going to be. And the rest of this free course is actually going to show you how to turn that vision into reality and start selling these digital products. When you're trying to decide what you want to sell first, you need to decide who is your audience, who is the ideal person who would buy this digital product by you. Thinking this way, this is going to help you create and figure out what that product is going to be. Think about that ideal type of person who would like or want this digital product. In the process, One of the best things you can do is research what's already out there. So whatever you're thinking of right now, you're thinking of doing this. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to search for profiles on TikTok using TikTok search. Search for profiles on Instagram. Do a search on Pinterest. And I can almost guarantee that you're going to find other profiles in this particular niche that you're thinking of that you can look at to get inspiration and examples. Observe how others market their digital products or what types of digital products they are selling. This will give you many ideas. Of course, we are not here to copy anyone, but you can still see what others are doing to take examples and gain inspiration for your own product. Now that we have brainstormed which digital products might be suitable for you, let's start, and I will show you how to actually create a digital product. For today's video, I will design a PDF ebook, one of the easiest digital products to create and something you can easily sell to your customers. To create this product, we will use Canva. I use Canva for many different things in my online business, so it's definitely worth learning how it works. It's also very beginner-friendly. Canva offers a whole collection of free templates to choose from. Simply type ebook in the search bar and browse the available templates. You may also want to search for A4 ebook templates to access a wider variety of designs. If you plan to create a longer ebook with more information, look for templates with multiple pages. You can check this by scrolling through the small numbers at the bottom left and right corners. I like choosing templates with multiple pages because this gives me more layout options and makes the process easier. Once you find a template you like, click on Customize this template. The first thing I will do is upload my own image, but you don't have to upload a personal photo. Just choose an image related to your topic. Next, I will change the colors to make them stand out and match the jacket I'm wearing in my photo. Of course, you don't have to change anything if you don't want to. I just have a specific vision for how I want it to look. If you need additional graphics, go to the Elements tab and search for anything you need. Canva provides a variety of options to enhance your design. I will also adjust the font by making it bolder so that it's easier to read. You can move the text around and add any elements you need to customize it exactly as you want. The digital product I'm creating today is a complete email list to help UGC creators connect with brands. UGC, user-generated content, is another great side hustle you can start with zero investment, and I have a free course on my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about it. I decided to create this digital product because I truly believe it will be helpful for beginners in UGC. This product meets a real demand that I can't fully present in a YouTube video, as it contains an actual email list, which isn't something I can just show in a video. So I thought, why not create a digital product for this? Once you finish the cover page, keep it super simple. Then, scroll down to the next page. I will use this layout because I love how clean and simple it looks, and that's really all we need for this. I'll change the text, colors, and then just click on the duplicate page so I don't have to start over. First, I import the digital product content into a Word document, then copy and paste it into the design in Canva. I also bold and enlarge the text to highlight important information. For example, I created one page for fashion brands and another for beauty brands. Then I add relevant graphics, like makeup and fashion illustrations from the Elements tab. This design is simple, with just 3 pages, but still packs a punch. I'll finish the product off screen. When you're done, just click Share Download, select the PDF standard format, and download. The final product doesn't need to be fancy. Valuable content is what matters most. Minimalist, easy-to-read design helps shoppers focus on the useful information inside. Finding emails can be time-consuming, but creating and completing a product takes just 10 minutes. While in Canva, search for Lay Flat Mockup. Mockups help display your product on an iPad, making it easier for customers to visualize. If you sell planners, mockups will make it look more professional on social media or your website. Choose the right mockup, download the cover image as a PNG, then upload it to Canva. place it on your iPad, and customize it in under 5 minutes. This mockup will help you promote and sell your product more easily. Also, if you need a great title for a digital product, use ChatGPT. Just enter a subject, and you'll get lots of attractive and professional suggestions for ebook or digital product titles. After designing your digital product, the next step is to promote and sell it. Many people use Gumroad, but it charges a 10% transaction fee, which can be costly in the long run. Instead, creating your own website gives you more control and is more cost-effective. I recommend Hostinger, as it has an AI website builder that lets you create a website without hiring anyone. Hostinger also includes a free domain and marketing tools to optimize sales. Just choose a business plan for high performance, enter your coupon code, and then use the AI Builder to quickly set up your digital product website. After choosing a domain name, you can connect an existing domain or use a free domain from Hostinger. Next, enter your brand name and website description. Be as detailed as possible so that the AI understands your goals. The AI will create a website in minutes, saving you time without having to start from scratch. Once the AI is done, you can customize it to your liking. Change colors, text, photos to match your brand. Add graphic elements like backgrounds, icons to highlight content. With this tool, you can quickly create a professional sales page without any programming knowledge. You can customize your website by dragging, changing colors, and adjusting the layout. For example, add a background behind images to create emphasis. Change the background color to match your brand's style. Move key content to the top so visitors can immediately see your products and important information. Additionally, you can add a new page, such as About Me, by selecting a template and customizing the content as needed. To manage your online store, click on the shopping bag icon, then select Manage Products to update product names, descriptions, and images. This helps make your store look more professional and attractive to customers. Set up your online store by selecting your country and currency, e.g. USD, so customers can see accurate pricing. Adding products, click Add Product and upload product images. Enter a title and, if needed, a ribbon label, e.g. New. Use AI to generate a compelling product description. Set the price, no stock limit for digital products. Upload your digital file and click Save. Remove sample products to keep your store clean. Managing orders and payments, view orders in the dashboard. Add discounts from the Discounts tab. Under Store Settings, set up payment methods, PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments. Optimizing your storefront, add an Online Store tab to the website's main menu so customers see products immediately. Adjust your layout by adding a product listing section below the banner. Check the mobile view, since most visitors use phones, to ensure a seamless experience. Final touches and launches connect social media links. Test different layouts and settings to personalize your site. When ready, click Go Live to launch your store. Now, your website is fully set up and you're ready to start selling. How to get sales for your digital product. Creating a great digital product is just the first step. Marketing is what drives sales. You don't need millions of followers to be successful. Social media allows you to reach the right audience without a large following. Best platforms for promotion. Pinterest acts as a search engine. Add a link to your product page in your pins. Instagram and TikTok. High potential for viral content. Instead of posting screenshots, create engaging videos showing your product in use. Content strategy: show yourself using the product without revealing your face if preferred. Use relatable scenarios to make your product marketable. Avoid mixing personal and business content. Create dedicated pages for your niche. Maximizing social media growth. Stay consistent with hashtags and messaging. Add your store link in your bio and drive traffic to it. Treat social media as a sales funnel and invest time in learning and improving. Long-term success mindset. Success doesn't happen overnight. Trial and error are part of the journey. Digital products are low risk since there's no inventory, making them a great way to test and scale. Focus on video content to increase engagement and revenue. With persistence and strategic marketing, you can turn digital products into a full-time income. Boost sales by offering free digital products. Providing free digital products builds trust and increases future sales. When visitors receive something valuable for free or at a very low price, they are more likely to buy from you later. This approach helps establish credibility and strengthens customer relationships. Key takeaways: give value first, offer free products to gain trust and attract potential buyers. Avoid aggressive selling, make people feel they are receiving value, not just being sold to. Learn more. Check out my free marketing course and other educational content on my YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more free courses on online business and digital product sales. Wishing you success. See you in the next lesson.